General, you kept your promise. You came back to us.
I promised you, and I will fulfill it. This is just the beginning. Together, we will drive the invaders out of our land.
Thank you, General. You are our hope. The suffering, the pain we've endured. We thought it would never end, but now you are here.
I understand. The battle is not over. But we will fight with everything we have. For your children, for your future. The Philippines will be free once more.
General, the people on Earth will be waiting for you to return. But the resistance has been strong, but we need your leadership to finish what we started.
Then let us begin. We will fight as one. Americans, Filipinos, allies. We will not rest until this land is free of tyranny. We march forward, not as conquerors, but as liberators. The Philippines will rise